Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Ako po muli, si Ate Mabalang yung lingkod. Kayo po ba ay nasa Canada na? Wala sa Canada at namroblema at nag-aalala kasi na mawalan kayo ng status dito sa Canada. Kung kayo po ay ma-experience ngayon, this company are looking for someone with experience po for this position. So, itong position po ito ay matatagpuan po sa province ng Newfoundland of Labrador. So, ito lang po example ko sa mga gusto mag-apply. So, you can explore other things. Marami pa pong trabaho available sa province na ito. Follow me sa aking Facebook page po kasi nag-a-add po rin po ako ng mga job posting po doon sa inyo pag nakakita po talaga ako ng available na agad-agad na pwede nyo puntahan. Just follow me, Ate Mabalang Bayan, sa aking Facebook page. At yeah guys, so itong trabahong ito is alam ko marami po nandito na sa Canada with this experience. So, if you want to move to a different province para magkaroon kayo ng chance na maging PR, this is your chance. Go there and apply for this job. And this job is available for you with a limited, kasi may closing date po siya. So, you need to apply right away. Sa email address lang po ng company o ng may-ari ng restaurant. Kasi po, ang position na ito is cook. Kung kayo po ay may experience, you can apply for this job now. So, kaya guys, pag-usapan na po natin. And bago po pala ang lahat, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe po. Newfoundland of Labrador. So, this job is for you. Explore nyo lang po ang iba pang opportunities sa province na ito at marami po silang available jobs for you. Okay? Kayo po ba ay may experience sa trabahong ito? Pag-usapan po natin ang trabahong available po sa province sa Canada. Ito po ay ang trabahong cook. Ang location po ng trabahong ito sa Newfoundland po and Labrador. So, matatagpuan po ito sa province ng Canada. So, workplace information, it's on-site. And salary offered po $15.60 per hour. The minimum work hours is 35 hours to 40 hours per week. Yan po yung maximum. Terms of employment is permanent employment full-time. So this company or this restaurant looking for someone can start as soon as possible po. So limited lang po to. Kailangan i-apply nyo ko agad. Kasi this company offers benefits also. They offer health benefits and this job has 3 vacancies for you guys. So sa mga in Canada, outside Canada, because the company or the restaurant itself has a valid LIMIA. So ang source po natin ngayon is from Job Bank. Requirements for language is English and educations. Take note guys, education, no degree, no certificate or no diploma. So, kaya lang po, you should have at least 2 years, less than 3 years of experience. So, kailangan po may work experience. So, work must be completed at the physical location and there's no option to work remotely po to. So, you have to be at the site. So, responsibilities and tasks is prepare and cook complete meals or individual dishes and foods. Prepare dishes for customers with food allergies or intolerances po. So you have to be specific po sa each customer. So inspect kitchens and food services area, train staff in preparations, cooking and handling of food. Kaya kailangan po meron kayong food handling certificate para at least meron kayo agad plus na para mapili kayo ni company. So, maintain inventory and records of food supplies and equipments. So, kailangan nyo po yun i-monitor. So, clean kitchen and work area. So, tayo naman mga Pilipino, lahat po talaga humahanga sa atin ng ating mga employer kasi tayo ay malinis pagdating sa trabaho. May mga health benefits pong ino-offer si company or si restaurant or yung employer. Meron siyang offer na dental plan, healthcare plan, and vision care benefits. So, yun po yung is pag napasa po ninyo ang probationary period. Who can apply for this job? The employer accepts application from Canadian citizen, permanent residents, or temporary residents of Canada, and take note guys, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So, take note nyo po yun now, with or without a valid Canadian work permit. And how to apply? Apply direct to the email address. Just send your resume by email. The email address is pdlabcity@outlook.com. And i-follow nyo lang po kung paano mag-apply, how to apply, and instruction. Ito yung kailangan nyo pong i-ready. So, you must include in your application the reference attesting your experience. Kasi, so, di ba, required ni company, you should have an experience. So, reference of your existing experience or past experience is kailangan po ninyo ma-provide. So, guys, yan po ang trabaho ngayon dito sa Newfoundland of Labrador na pwede nyong applyan kung kayo po in Canada na you're seeking to move to a different province to get another LIMEA offer, or para po hindi kayo mawala ng status sa Canada. This is your chance. Find another way po sa kung saan province kayo pwede makahanap ng trabaho in order for you to stay na hindi kayo mawala ng status sa Canada. So, I'm gonna add also yung mga possible links ay tsaka yung link nito, how to apply direct po. So, email nyo lang po muna sa employer. At the same time, you can explore some other available jobs sa province na ito. Ito po yung Newfoundland of Labrador. Andun po yung aking friend. Shout out sa iyo, mate. Hope to see you soon. So, yan po guys, ang aking update, a short update for you guys para sa mga naghahanap na mga nandito na sa Canada na you have an experience as a cook. So, try this opportunity po. Marami po silang available jobs. I'm gonna add in my description box yung lahat po ng possible na pwede nyo puntahan ng mga link. Apply now kasi meron pong closing date po ang job posting na ito. I hope na makatulong po itong update ko sa inyo to find jobs for you guys. And again, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe po. Thank you so much. And again, good luck po sa mga mag-a-apply. And hopefully, na may retain nyo po ang status nyo dito sa Canada para po sa ating dream to become a permanent resident. Thank you so much. Bye for now.